An amazing thing is happening right now in our clinic. And I have to share with you. And I also want to invite you to a special promotion. I had to do this. I had to do this. You guys remember when I was talking about my natural weight loss injections, the MIC B12 plus, methionine, inositol, choline, B12 plus L-carnitine, dexpenthenol, thiamine, pyridoxine, like 7+ ingredients in that needle? Guess what? People signed up, and every single human being that signed up, been receiving the injections, have been experiencing increased energy. Some people have lost minimum, minimum 4 pounds after the second injection. This is mind blowing. I did not expect such fast results, if I'm being honest with you. I did not. And I know many people were on the fence about paying the $45 when I released the products. They're like, oh, I don't know if it's going to work and whatever. It's natural. And in everything that I discuss in previous lessons or previous videos, how this injection not only boosts your energy so you can get off and move your body, how it is decreasing cravings and controlling your appetite, how this injection is increasing motivation so that you can actually feel your best so you can get up and do things. I know it's like a little tiny liquid in a syringe giving you all these results. You guys, I'm like, oh my God. And I know many of you guys, many of my patients, I'm so excited, that are watching this video can attest to that because some of you have purchased and you've been coming to our clinic and telling me and Ty and Marilyn how you are experiencing results. I have a patient right now who told me, Dr. Genty, I have so much energy, I can't even sleep. Crazy. L-carnitine, like the fat loss is real. I have a patient right now. Her name is Diane. I'm not gonna give you her last name because she didn't give me permission to give her full story, but you can see how her body is, I'm not gonna say shrinking, but it's slightly reducing since she's been getting these injections. So this is the lowest cost product that you can purchase, invest in, that's gonna help you lose some of the weight. Okay? This right here, and I'm like, are you serious? This is such an effective product. And it's natural. It's a whole bunch of vitamins and amino acids, things that your body should be producing. That's why back in the days, people were able to manage the weight. We didn't have obesity wasn't on the rise like this. We didn't have such an issue or struggles, people losing weight. So as I'm talking to people, as they are reporting the experiences after the second injection, the third injection, the fourth injection, I said to myself and the team, I have to put this back. Because I know some of you are like, oh, this is the first time, and I don't know, I'll wait until we get some feedback from patients. I am telling you. You can talk to any of my patients that are receiving the injections, they will tell you they noticed the energy increased. They noticed the appetite suppressant or the cravings. They notice how they can last longer without eating. Okay? Of course, when you do these injections, this is not replacement. This is not a replacement for healthy diet. You must incorporate a healthy diet. You must. So, but the people that are receiving this, they have a diet, they have a healthy meal plan, and we have been telling them, like, remember, you gotta eat healthy, you gotta eat healthy. So I'm gonna be very honest with you. So today, as I'm recording this, is Wednesday, March 26, 2025. I'm putting this back into promotion. But you have until Monday, March 31st. This is like a fast action thing. For those of you that are like, oh, okay, now that you're seeing results and people like literally raving about this. No joke, people are literally raving about this. And please, if you're a patient who've been receiving this natural weight loss injection, I would love for you to comment. Please comment so that other people can see that, yes, you can do the other injections, but this is safer, this is more effective, this is more natural, and there's no side effects. I did a whole videos about all this, right? You can go back in the YouTube channel here. You see me talking about natural weight loss injections, how I break down how every single ingredient is gonna help you get closer to your weight loss goals. So I'm putting this back on a special promotion. For $55, you get $10 off until until March 31st, which is Monday. So you have 2 or 3 full business days to call us if you're interested in purchasing this. This is the lowest cost way, okay, of you, again, increasing energy, decrease burn fat, increasing, the weight loss. This is the lowest cost way. Because I do have a program that I'm working on, a weight loss program. That's going to be a lot more money than that. But if you say to yourself, okay, I just need a little boost. I need a little help. I got this. I have a meal plan that is working for me, but because my cells are not receiving the nutrients to help them function, I am a little sluggish and tired and a little boost, then this is it. People are losing weight with this. People are losing weight. Marisol, which is another patient who purchased this. After the second injection, she sent us an email. She said, I lost weight. And I'm like, how many pounds? People are losing weight. People are finding the energy to get up and go for a walk and exercise. People are finding the motivation. I have a patient, Carol, and her daughter, who are getting this injection. And I saw her last week, and she told me how her daughter is losing weight and how she used to eat at 11 o'clock, like she can feel the hunger pain. She can feel like her body's going into hypoglycemic. The food has control over her. She had to eat at 11 o'clock. After she started receiving this injection, after the second injection, she wasn't even thinking about food. She was able to last until 2 p.m. when she had to remind herself she hasn't eaten yet. I wouldn't recommend a product that will not serve you. And I'm so excited. I'm like, oh my God, let's put this back because I know some of you can save $10, right? If you are one of our patients that signed up for this, you are receiving this, and you want to purchase more, there you are. You can save $10, $55 for this injection. $55. And of course, I recommend 10. If you can do more, that would be awesome. But the fact that people are seeing results after the second injection, the third injection, if you purchase more than 10, you can definitely lose a lot more weight, but feeling amazing. Remember, this is packed with amino acids, so you're not losing muscle like the other injections are doing. Okay, people are losing muscle mass and they look sick. You're not losing muscle. You're losing fat. This is literally going into your fat cells and shrinking them. And I went over the science of this again in the other video because I know it can be very difficult and challenging for us to think like this. This really? I found a product that can help. And I'm like, I can't. So I'm so excited because we've been hearing so many success stories with this product. So many. And I'm asking them to give us testimonials. So once I have them, I will share them with you. But people literally tell me, oh my God, I felt more energy. If you don't feel anything, the energy you're gonna feel. And you can use that energy into action and activities to start losing the weight. You understand? This puppy right here, this, you can couple with anything else that you do. Even if you're doing the semaglutide, the GLP-1, or any of the injections, these injections, GLP-1, are depleting your cells of the nutrients. This is gonna help. I am telling you, this is a product you all should be experiencing. And it's my duty to lower the cost to give you that opportunity to experience exactly what the other patients are experiencing. So it's up to you now. So you have until Monday. What is Monday? I'm looking at the calendar. You have until Monday, March 31st, to sign up for this quick, fast action promotion for $50. I mean, I'm sorry, $55. $55. $55. So you're saving $10. Okay? You can stay where you are and try all of the things and don't lose weight, or you can try this. This is proven. And I wouldn't record this video, naming patients on this video, and I know many of them going to be watching this video, my integrity, if wasn't true, if this wasn't the truth. Okay? My natural weight loss injections can help you. That's all that I'm going to say. So if you're interested, after watching this video, like, oh my God, yes, this is something I can afford with you, Dr. Genty, because the other products, the other services are too much, and you can spare a few $100s towards your weight loss journey, do it. Do it. Okay? The original price is $65, and you can get it for $55, $10 off. And you have until Monday. I know I keep repeating myself. Monday, March 31st. After March 31st, this will not go on any promotion until, I don't know, next year or 2 years from now. Because I am working on including this into my weight loss program that I'm launching. My 12 weeks, all encompassing or all included weight loss program, which I'm going to be talking about. I'm doing a webinar about that to show people the shifts they need to make to lose the weight and keep it off. I want to include this as part of it. So we are working out the details. But if you're like, oh, I got this. I just need a little help. This is for you. People are losing weight. They are feeling amazing. It's an injection. Remember, pills do not provide the same results. When you have high potency, preservative-free products, and you're injecting it straight to your muscles and it is traveling all over your body, you're getting at least 80% absorption rate with this. 100% is IV. So 80 to 85% of this. And I would love for you to experience some of these results. Okay? So give us a call, send us a message, sign up for this, save you some money. And I can't wait for when you come to get your injection, as we are asking, because we always try to get feedback from our patients, always. Since the very first injection, we've been asking, how do you feel? The second injection, we've been asking, how do you feel? It's because people are getting the fourth one. And I'm like, okay, we got something here. Let me put it back on promo so that people can save some money and to kind of remove some of the barriers, because I know financials is always an issue. If I can give this for free, I will give it for free, but I can't, right? Like this is not possible. But what I can do is lower the cost so you can have the opportunity to get it at a lower cost, a lower price. I love you. I want everybody to reach the health goals. And I'm doing my part, and I would love for you to meet me halfway and do your part. My natural weight loss injection works. See you. I'm so excited. It's like, oh my God. All right. I can't, like the face, I can't be serious because it's like the things that I'm seeing, it's like, what? The things that I'm hearing with these weight loss injections, I'm like, seriously? Like literally, people are telling me things. I'm like, whoa, okay, good. We're writing it down. We're asking every single patient that comes on the injection, Ty, my MA, his job is to ask you how you feel. Did you notice the difference? Because we want to make sure we want to do things that are working. If you're investing in yourself, you're exchanging money, I want to make sure it's whatever I'm recommending is working. Okay, because I know like financially might be a lot for people, but everybody can afford $55. Yeah, $55 if you can purchase 6, 10 or more, $55. Okay? All right, so I see you. on the next video. I'll see you when they come in to get your injection. How about that? Yay.